Welcome. She sleeps in her room. They don't like sushi. It is a big dog.
As you can see, today we're going to focus on the simple present. Let's start.
Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin. They watch TV every night.
Sue reads books in the afternoon.
The kids play inside. The kids don't play outside.
She is a doctor. She isn't a nurse.
Josh is a chef. Josh isn't a waiter.
They are office workers. They aren't artists. As you can see, the simple present is used to describe habits and routines. They watch TV every night. Sue reads a book in the afternoon. The kids play inside. The kids don't play outside.
The simple present is also used to talk about general truths. She is a doctor. Josh isn't a waiter. They are office workers. Now practice using the simple present to describe habits and general truths.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial. Bye!